Take those hydraulic hoses off. Alrighty, pulled these levers up, put the plugs back in, should come right out pretty easy. Welcome back, everyone. Just got home from Pennsylvania hunting trip a couple days ago. As soon as I left, winter definitely showed up here in Vermont. Warmed up yesterday quite a bit, so all the snow pretty much melted, but we did have about 8 inches on the ground. From the winter storm, a bunch of tree limbs and stuff went over the driveway. So I got the tractor out. I'm going to use the bucket on the tractor. I got the Stihl 261 ready to go. A little bit of wood, a little bit of work, a little bit of cleanup to do. I just took the grapple off and put the bucket on. Always a nice thing with that quick attach bucket. The grapple is quick attach as well. I still have my chipper on the back of the tractor, so if I need to use that, I will do so. So tomorrow is the first day of the black powder hunting season. I did get my muzzleloader out earlier today, shot it a couple times, make sure it's hitting good. So I'll probably do a little hunting, and then probably later this weekend, me, the wife, and kids will go get a Christmas tree. But for today, we got a little project on hand, so we'll get to work. All right, you can see this stuff right here. The wet, heavy snow got on it, and it was leaning right over the road. So my dad was nice enough to kind of trim some of that back. But I'm gonna trim it right up complete. It's kind of hanging right over in the road. Had a decent amount of brush there, so I think I'm going to fire up the chipper. loader up through there. Maybe cut those down another day. Chipper works really good. Nice little pile of chips over there. Alright, we'll go down to the next spot. everything worked good. Chipper, chainsaw, got a bucket load of wood, cleaned up the driveway on the way down through. I did have a couple small little hiccups. I turned around at one point and the camera was tipped right over, and now the screen's cracked, but hopefully it won't affect the picture. And I did hit a little rock with my chainsaw, so now I got some chainsaw sharpening to do. But all in all, everything usually works out pretty good. All right, well, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. So if you like these videos, click like, give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Everybody have a great day. Thanks.